Hi everyone, Ryan here, Ion Capital Solutions. Hope you're doing well. So today I want to talk to you about the key to success in this industry. Is there a key to success? Where did you learn about that key to success? Is there somebody you spoke to who maybe told you that it was easy, anyone could do it, you really need to focus on just one thing to make it all come together? Does that exist? Well, let's find out. Let's talk about it. Okay, business loan brokers, people interested in becoming business loan brokers. We're going to kick this thing off with a big fat no. There is no key to success. It's not that simple. If you have a mindset of it's going to be that simple, you're doomed to fail. That's just the truth of it. Okay. If you came across this guy who convinced you that you're going to be a millionaire, that anybody can do it, right? That it's real easy. All you have to do is just build a business, right? Get signed up with a lender, build a website on Wix.com or Squarespace, buy some leads or run an ad, forward some interested parties to the lender. That's it. It's just that simple. Think about it. It's not that easy. It's just really not that easy. It's somebody maybe selling a blueprint saying that it's that easy and that's how they make money, but it's not that easy. That's not how the business works. If it was like that, everybody would be doing it. Everyone would be a millionaire, and there's a lot of people doing it and they're not millionaires. Okay. It's because it, it's a completely unrealistic mindset when even get entering into this thing, likely shared by a person who they themselves don't even have much experience in the actual industry. And it's pretty crazy. There are guys like this out there charging as much as $100,000 for people to quote unquote learn this business. And I know I talk to these people all the time. They didn't learn anything, but they lost $100,000. They have a business model. It doesn't work, doesn't earn money. Why? Because they didn't actually learn the business. They were just convinced that it was just that easy. And look how handsome this guy is in the picture with his tuxedo and his champagne and all the money and the fireworks. All I got to do is hang out with that guy and I'm going to become him, right? Nope. It doesn't work like that. I'm sorry. Okay. And so the reality is, you have to stop guessing and start knowing. I recently did a video where I said stop gambling on files, and it's just the truth. If you're not in the know of whether or not you have a fundable client, a fundable deal, if they can afford it, what the financials reflect, the asset reflects, how it all works. If you're not the underwriter, you're not going to make money in this industry. You're just not. You're just going to gamble on files and forward to the lender and hope that it works out and then get frustrated when it doesn't. That's not loan brokering. It's just not how it works. And so if you want to make this thing work, well, you have to change the way you think about it. You see, this is a puzzle. You're going to have to figure out how to put this thing together, right? If you're going to, in fact, build a business. So, should you build a business? Well, you could follow what some of these other programs out there are offering, right? Where, hey, all you have to do is set up a website, sign up with the lender, find some interested parties, forward to the lender. But the problem with that is you end up with this: a broken business, a box full of puzzle pieces, not connected, not working, not earning, a whole bunch of monthly costs, a whole bunch of things you got to pay for. You're in a hole and all these things, but is it all working? Nope. It's just not. And why is that? It's because your mindset to begin with and what you may have been sold on is just incorrect altogether. It's just not how it works. That's the reality of the situation. And perhaps maybe you haven't yet taken this journey. It's a good thing you're watching this video right now, because do not go down that path. I know where that path leads. It leads to me. I talk to these people all the time, constantly, who spent money on these courses and they're frustrated that it didn't work. They don't understand the first thing. They don't have the first clue, how to underwrite a file, how to qualify a client, how to actually read and analyze financials, understand appraisal of assets and the resaleability of an asset in the case of default. And none of these things. They're just forwarding to lenders. That's what they were told to do. They don't even understand the product they're offering. And while on the topic, they're only offering one single product. They don't understand the other products out there. Therefore, they don't understand their competition. They can't figure out why a construction group won't take a cash advance. Why would a construction group not take a high interest short term loan? They can't figure it out. Meanwhile, anybody with experience knows an experienced, mature construction group leverages equity in real estate that they own. They'll just do a cash out refi at a single digit interest rate and raise all the capital they need. Why would they take a cash advance with a daily payment over a short term and 40% interest? It's just not going to happen. When they need funding, they'll do some invoice factoring. They'll just leverage their invoices. They'll just leverage their contracts. If you don't understand that, you don't stand a chance if you're just trying to push a particular product. It doesn't work like that. And that's the reality is trying to build a business with limited knowledge and experience and take some box of puzzle pieces that someone sold you and make it work. You're just going to be throwing money away, just absolutely throwing money away. And then a year down the line or whatever it is, you've had enough. You're either going to quit or you're going to end up on the phone with me, somebody like me, and saying it didn't work and here's my story and here's why and what do I do? Right? And I'm going to tell you what I'm telling you now. Right? So the reality is you need clarity about this thing works, how this thing works. You need to understand how the business operates, not how to build it, but how it operates. You need to learn. And I get it. When you think of learning, you immediately think, well, first you need to learn and then you can earn. And you're an adult and you have bills and you need money and you don't have time to just sit there and learn. You're not a kid in school, right? You need to make money. But did you know that you can earn and learn at the same time by plugging into an active business? Surrounding yourself with the support you need and mentorship and all these things to work on your deals to help you get across the finish line and learn how this business really functions at a zero cost model of you not having to spend money building your own business. You don't want to build your own business. You're not ready to build your own business if you're new to this thing or if you're unable to make this thing work. If you worked in the industry for years, then yeah, go build your own business. That's what a blueprint's for. If not, then you shouldn't. Right? And the reality is you need help, support, advice, and guidance while you're in the trenches, in the marketplace, working with clients to convert these clients to earn money and close deals. That's when you need the help and support. Buying the blueprint doesn't help you in this area. Being constantly upsold and given a limited amount of time and where you can get that help and support doesn't help you. It just takes you deeper and deeper and deeper into a hole. And that's the game. It's a slow bleed, right? They're trying to get you to buy into the model. It doesn't work. If it doesn't work, you can buy this Band-Aid and then this Band-Aid and then that Band-Aid and then have this person come and diagnose the problem. Then you can buy more time and more. And it's upsell, upsell, upsell. And it's not helping you. You're just going deeper and deeper into a hole. Meanwhile, the blueprint program's making more and more money off of you. Is that what you want to be part of? No, absolutely not. Okay. Instead, what you want to do is surround yourself with support. Have people hold you by the hand through the process. Plug into an active system that's solid, that's functioning, that's active. Okay. And at the end of the day, you want to leverage a mentor who's going to help get you to the next step, who's going to work with you and your clients along the way at no additional cost. It should all be inclusive. So if you haven't guessed by now, that's what we do here at Ion. Okay? It's a very straightforward program. You're earning, you're learning, you're getting support. At the end of the day, you are not alone in it. You're not trying to build anything. It's already PC. You're just leveraging everything's already built. You're just plugging in. You're learning everything from front-end marketing and sales to back-end processing and underwriting, data management. You can manage teams here, learn how to manage people, systems, tools, lender negotiations, client negotiations, the business, how it actually functions. And then through time, you'll accrue knowledge, and then you have a real chance at building your own business and not before. And that's just the way it works in this world. We need experience first before we can start our own thing. There are special people out there who can start their own thing and just learn on the go. I'm not one of those people. And I know this stuff pretty well. It took time. It took blood, sweat, and tears and embarrassment, hard work, some low lows, some high highs. But that's a realistic outlook. So if anybody's struggling watching this video, we can help you. If anybody's new to this thing and you want to make a real go of it, We can help you. But anybody who's considering, is on the fence about working with somebody who's trying to sell you anybody can do it. It's easy. You're going to be a millionaire. The life of your dreams, time freedom, financial freedom, the impulse buy stuff, trying to hype you up. Run from those people. I promise you're not going to get a thing out of it. Okay? There is no one key to success. It's not that simple. This thing will never be that simple. The sooner you change your mindset, the closer you are to achieving success. Okay? With that being said, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for your time today. Good luck with your deals. I'll catch you in the next video.